So are you also running a business and do you also want to use an AI agent to respond to all your user queries? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in this video we are going to understand how to create a personalized WhatsApp AI agent. So like you, I'm also running a business and we regularly receive user queries on WhatsApp, but this is such a time consuming and a tedious task to reply to those same user queries over and over again. So to solve this problem, I've simply created an AI agent. Now whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply will be sent towards my user. Not only solving user queries, but this AI agent is going to suggest the products to my users too. So if you also want to create this amazing AI agent for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So today I'm going to walk you through how to create a personalized WhatsApp AI agent that interacts with your customers in a natural and a helpful way. This smart chatbot will be able to understand individual preferences and ask relevant questions and offer them tailored product recommendations all automatically. So for today's example, we'll focus on a skincare brand where the AI agent helps suggest the best products based on the skin types and concerns. So whether you are in retail, consultancy, or any customer focused business, this approach can transform how you engage and support your audience. So let's dive in and build this powerful WhatsApp assistant together. So as you can see that I have already built an AI assistant. So first I'm just going to show you the proper working of this AI assistant. So let's say someone is going to type and say, hey, I need help. So I'm just going to enter, hey, I need help right over here. So I'm just going to type it right over here, and as you can see that once I'm just going to send them this message, it is going to reply me in seconds automatically. So yes, you can see it is saying, I am here to help you. What do you need assistance with? So let's say I'm just going to look for the products for dry skin. So I'm just going to say, I have dry skin. I want products for the same. So as you can see that I've simply entered this message and I'm just going to send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, it is going to recommend me the products for dry skin. So as you can see that it is recommending me the hydrating creams, moisturizing face oils, and also gentle cream cleansers. So as you can see, it is recommending me products for the dry skin, and the products are of my skincare brand, which is Natural Glow Skincare. Not only for dry skin, if I write that I want products for oily skin, it is going to recommend me the same. So as soon as I'm just going to type I want products for oily skin and send them this message, and once I'm just going to send them this message, it is going to recommend me the products for the oily skin. So as you can see that it has successfully recommend me the products for oily skin. Let's say I want to order. So I'm just going to type right over here, I want to order, and I'm just going to send them this I want to order, and once I'm just going to send them this I want to order, it is going to give me the details with the help of which I can just order the products. Alright, so you can see it is saying visit the website, select the products, proceed to checkout, fill in the details and confirm your order. Let's say I want the contact details of this company, so I'm just going to enter contact details right over here, and once I'm just going to enter contact details right over here, it is going to respond me with the contact details of Natural Glow Skincare. And yes, you can see that it is successfully sharing me the contact details, which is the email, WhatsApp and the rest details. So yes, you can see that this AI assistant is solving all the user queries, and it is a personalized AI assistant which is going to recommend the products to my customers or to my leads. So yes, this is the amazing personalized AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot which we are going to learn in today's video. And if you also want to learn this and create this for your own business, then for that you have to watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, we are simply going to open a new tab, and we're just going to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow simply by searching pabbly.com/chatflow in our browser. And after opening the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore the application. But over here, I am an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button which says sign in. And once I'm just going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps. And over here, you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. So I'm simply going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And once I'm just going to click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And in order to create an AI assistant, we first have to add a WhatsApp number inside a Pabbly Chatflow account. So to add a WhatsApp number, we are simply going to go towards this add WhatsApp number button. And over here it is giving me two methods to add the WhatsApp number. So a video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number. I have already added my WhatsApp number right over here. So I'm just going to move on forward and create a AI assistant. So to create an AI assistant, we are just going to go towards the left side of the bar of our Pabbly Chatflow account. And over here on the left side of the bar, you can see all the features offered by Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, if you want to learn about any of this feature in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards each of this feature has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. But today this video is only going to focus on how to create an AI assistant. For that, we are simply going to go towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. And once I'm just going to come over here, you're going to see the total AI assistants in this account, total active AI assistants, and all the inactive AI assistants. Not only this, if you want to know how to create an AI assistant for WhatsApp inside Pabbly Chatflow in detail, you can check out this video, alright? And also over here, you're going to see the points to remember while creating an AI assistant. Alright, so this video is going to focus on how to create a personalized AI assistant, right? So for that, we are simply going to go towards this add AI assistant button right over here. And now it's asking me for the assistant name. So I'm simply going to name my assistant as this, which is Natural Glow Skincare Bot. And then I'm just going to simply click on this add AI assistant button. And once I'm just going to click on this add AI assistant button, it has successfully opened this window. And now it's asking me to select the instruction type for custom prompt or pre-built examples. So over here, you are going to select any of these. All right, over here, I'm just going to select AI agent. If you want to create a bot for customer support, you can select the same. If it is a sales agent, you can select the same, and so on. Also, if you want to give a custom prompt, you can go towards this custom prompt and give your own. I'm just going to select it as AI agent right over here. So it has automatically given the instructions for the same. It has given the primary functions, the constraints, and the rest of the details. Now after this, we are just going to move on further. Over here, it is asking me for the temperature. So it is saying range will be from 0 to 1, where the 0 is reserved and 1 is creative. So if you want the AI responses to be creative, you can move on this temperature towards 1. And if you want it to be reserved, you can keep it towards 0. I'm just going to keep it in between, which is 0.5. And now I'm just going to move on forward. It is saying select AI to use. So I'm simply going to select my open AI right over here. And now it is asking me for the model. So I'm simply going to select the model as GPT-4o Mini. You can select whichever you prefer. Now it is asking me for the API token, and to get the API token, it is saying to follow the help text, and it is saying kindly visit your OpenAI API key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So I'm simply going to go towards my OpenAI API key page to get the API key. And after coming over here towards this page, we are simply going to go towards this create new secret key. And now I'm just going to name my key. So I'm simply going to name my key as AI assistant right over here. And I'm just going to select the project and click on this create secret key button. Now my key has been created. So I'm simply going to copy this key, and then we're going to paste this key right over here in our AI assistant API token section. And after entering this API token, we simply have to click on this blue button which says connect. And once I'm just going to click on this connect, you can see OpenAI key saved successfully. So with this, we have successfully set it up till over here. And now I'm just going to go towards this knowledge source. And after coming over here towards this knowledge source, we have to add a knowledge base with the help of which my AI agent is going to respond, right? So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to go towards this upload file, and over here I'm just going to upload the file. You have to keep in mind that the knowledge base should be unique to your business. It should include FAQs, company background, and more that your chatbot can utilize while answering the questions. Alright, so over here I've already created a knowledge base for my company. So I'm just going to simply upload that file right over here, which is Natural Glow Skincare. So I'm just going to simply upload that file right over here. You have to keep in mind that the file which you're uploading should be TXT format based based only. Alright, so what you can do is you can simply upload your knowledge base in a Google Docs and download the TXT format file from there only. So as you can see, after uploading the knowledge base over here, you can see the time date on which I uploaded the knowledge base. Also, you can see the name of the file and also the vector ID. So this proves that I have successfully uploaded the knowledge base. And now I'm just going to move on forward towards this AI interface. And after coming over here, what is the interface I want? So over here you can see I'm just going to add the heading right over here of my brand name, which is Natural Glow Skincare. So I'm simply going to enter it right over here, which is Natural Glow Skincare. So I'm simply going to enter it right over here. So now after entering this heading, we are just going to move on forward. It is saying header display subheading name. So over here you can see the subheading will be this, which is we are online and happy to assist you. So you can definitely change this if you want right from here. I'm just going to keep it as same. Now it is asking me for the initial message. So the initial message which is going to be displayed over here is going to be added right over here. You can enter a new chat right over here if you want to add two initial messages. I'm just going to keep it as one only and move on further. Now it is saying display powered by Pabbly label. So if you want to disable this, you can simply go towards this disable button and this is going to get disappeared. And if you want to enable it, you can go towards this enable button and this powered by Pabbly is going to be added right over here. Now if you want to add a footer text, you can add it right over here, and if you want to add a footer link, you can simply add the footer link right over here. I'm just going to keep the footer text as privacy policy only, and now for the footer link I'm just going to keep it as this link only. If you want, you can definitely add a better footer link. Now it is asking me for the user first message. So over here if you want, you can definitely change this user's first message. I'm just going to keep it as I need help only. Now it is asking me for the fallback message. So what is this fallback message? So let's say you uploaded a knowledge base, right? And then what is going to happen is that you skipped some details while uploading the knowledge base, or let's say you didn't have those details when you uploaded the knowledge base, or let's say your knowledge base didn't have some details. So what is going to happen is that your AI assistant is going to send a fallback message towards your user whenever they ask some question which is not related towards your knowledge base. So you can add a fallback message right over here which will redirect your users towards your support email address or towards a phone number which can contact them with their support assistant. Alright, so to add this fallback message, if you want, you can definitely use this only, but I'm just going to add my support email address right over here. So as you can see that this is the fallback message which I want to send. I am here to assist you with the questions related to the company information or support. If you have any more questions about these services or need assistance with something specific, feel free to ask at, and then I'm just going to add the support address. All right, so as you can see that I've successfully entered my fallback message. You can customize this according to your own brand. And now after adding this fallback message, we have successfully completed this AI interface too, and now I'm just going to move on towards this styling. And now after coming over here towards this styling, you can simply select the theme mode you wanted, light or dark. You can move on further. You can select this assistant shape too right from here, and then you can move on further. You can select the background color, text color, and all the details. Also you can select the header profile, or also you can see the assistant profile picture. And if you want to add a background picture, you can definitely add it right over here. This is the default and I'm just going to keep it as default only. So I'm just going to move on further and save this AI assistant. And to save this AI assistant, we are simply going to switch on this button. All right, this will make the AI assistant active. And now I'm just going to click on this button which says save AI assistant. So yes, you can see that AI assistant has been saved successfully. And now if you wish, you can definitely add this AI assistant on your website by simply going to go towards this embedded option given right over here. I'm not going to show you that. If you want to learn that, we have attached a video for the same in the description box below. You can check it out. All right, now I'm just going to move on further, and now I'm just going to open the AI assistants once again over here. And over here in the AI assistant thing, you're going to check that we have successfully created a new AI assistant name, Natural Glow Skincare Bot, and this is active right over here. All right, and now what is going to happen is that whenever your user is going to scan this QR code right over here, they can move on further and chat with this AI assistant. All right, so now I'm just going to open my WhatsApp WhatsApp and I'm just going to test that if this AI assistant is running in real time or not. For that, I'm just going to open my WhatsApp and we're just going to clear the previous conversation and start fresh. And this time, I'm just going to start this chat with hello, I need help. So I'm just going to enter hello, I need help right over here. And after entering this hello, I need help, I'm just going to move on forward and wait for a few seconds till my AI agent is going to reply me. And it is saying hello again, I'm here to help you. What do you need assistance with? So this time I want to know about the products for sensitive skin. So I'm just going to enter I want products for sensitive skin. So yes, I'm just going to send them this message right over here. And once I'm just going to send them this message right over here, it is going to respond me with the products for sensitive skin. So yes, you can see that for each skin type, it is suggesting different kind of products, right? So it is a personalized AI assistant. Now I'm just going to move on forward. I'm just going to know how I can order this product. So I'm just going to enter I want to order right over here. I want to order right over here and send them this message. And now it is going to send me the message with the help of which I can order the products. Let's say I want to know about the payment methods. So I'm just going to enter payment methods right over here. So I'm just going to enter payment methods question mark. So it is going to respond me accordingly and give me all the payment methods with the help of which I can order this product. And further, if I want to know about the refund policy, I can enter refund policy right over here. And it is going to respond me about the refund policy. So yes, over here you can see that it is saying returns are accepted within 7 days of delivery. Over here is the condition and the refund process. So you must be wondering that it is responding me in real time and within seconds. Yes, this is no magic. This is the power of AI assistant which I created right now. And I'm just going to show you my knowledge base too. So over here you can see that this is the knowledge base which this AI assistant is using to give me all the answers. Over here you can check in the knowledge base that the payment method is exactly the same which my AI agent gave. Also, you can see the refund policy is exactly the same which my AI assistant gave me. Let's say I'm just going to ask them about the active offers. So I'm just going to message them active offers and let's see how it is responding. So I'm just going to enter active offers right over here and message them about the active offers. And yes, you can see it is going to respond me all the active offers which I added in my knowledge base. So yes, with this I've successfully created this AI assistant and it is running in real time perfectly fine. So now go try this AI assistant for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your specific business needs. So now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.